nice. Oh my God, it has been. Wasn't talking to you.
Oh, okay.
But you can say hi to them.
Oh, hi them.
Chris.
Hi them.
Hi them. Hi, you cute little friends of mine. It has been a long time since I've done a video blog. I can't even talk today. Okay.
It's been a long time since I've done a video blog.
Oh, that hurt. Let's dance.
On the verge of a line, hear me roar. Sharp teeth with an appetite that starts at me. And this is my opinion, only if you will share my vision. We came to win the season, but it ain't our only mission. So let's start at the bottom and move until we drop. And drop, look, I'm in pockets, so can we really rock? But then we reach the top, it's like this is just a clock. And time turns so right over.
I just saw you reading me.
Truly yours till we stop. The stop is a sign that I can roll through. I never plan to shine. The sun was on you, but in the midst of night, the light will sneak through the peak high on a night. I'm a fountain, became you, became you, became you, became you.
Happy Friday. Make sure that you get up and dance. If you didn't, then replay the video and dance with us. Have a great weekend.
I don't like not dancing.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm being Kevin.
It's not funny.
Kevin, your life is miserable.